Kia just revealed 6 major changes for the 2026 Telluride that are causing the biggest family SUV controversy in automotive history. If you're planning to buy a 3-row SUV in the next 2 years, or you're worried that your favorite family hauler is about to be ruined by unnecessary upgrades, these changes will directly impact your buying decision. While most automakers make safe, predictable updates, Kia is making bold moves that could either create the perfect family SUV or completely destroy what made the Telluride America's most beloved value champion. Number 6. More luxurious interior. We all know the frustration of climbing into our SUV after a long day, only to be surrounded by hard plastics and cheap materials that remind you of a rental car. When you're spending over $40,000 on a family hauler, you want to feel like you're getting something special, rather than just transportation with 3 rows of seats. That's exactly why Kia is installing soft touch surfaces throughout the cabin, upgraded leather appointments, and premium wood grain accents that will rival established luxury brands. Ambient lighting systems will create a sophisticated atmosphere that transforms your morning commute from a chore into a moment of personal luxury. Second-row captain's chairs are getting massage functions, making every passenger feel like they're riding in first class. But here's where families are getting divided. Current owners chose the Telluride specifically because it offered luxury features without luxury pricing. Therefore, any significant price increase threatens to destroy this core advantage. The fear is that Kia is abandoning its value-focused positioning to chase higher profit margins. If the upgraded Telluride approaches BMW or Mercedes pricing levels, why wouldn't you just buy from established luxury brands with superior service networks and stronger resale values? But all that luxury means nothing if the engine can't deliver the smooth, reliable power that families depend on, which is exactly why the powertrain changes are causing even more heated debates. Number 5. Turbocharging. Nothing ruins a family road trip faster than your SUV struggling to merge onto busy highways while loaded with passengers and cargo. When you're trying to safely enter traffic with your family aboard, you need predictable, reliable power that responds exactly when you press the accelerator. The current Telluride's naturally aspirated V6 delivers exactly that confidence with smooth, linear acceleration that makes highway merging and hill climbing feel effortless. But Kia is planning to introduce turbocharged 4-cylinder options that could save families hundreds of dollars annually at the gas pump. Turbocharged engines deliver peak torque at lower RPMs, providing stronger pulling power when you're towing the boat or climbing mountain passes with a full load. Modern turbo technology has proven reliable in various applications, suggesting performance concerns may be overblown. But here's where longtime Kia enthusiasts are drawing the line. The V6's mechanical simplicity has contributed to the Telluride's excellent reliability record. Therefore, adding turbocharger complexity introduces potential failure points that could leave your family stranded. Turbo lag, heat management issues, and premium fuel requirements represent headaches that naturally aspirated engines simply don't present. While turbo engines can produce impressive peak numbers, sustained high-load operation often reveals thermal limitations that naturally aspirated powertrains handle more gracefully. Families planning to tow boats, trailers, or campers may find the new powertrain less capable despite superior paper specifications. But even the most reliable engine is worthless if your SUV looks so boring that you're embarrassed to drive it, which is exactly why Kia's exterior redesign is sparking such passionate reactions. Number 4. Bold exterior. Picture this. You pull into your company parking lot in the same generic SUV as half your colleagues, and nobody even notices you've arrived. For many families, their SUV is their most visible possession, yet most 3-row vehicles look so similar that they disappear into automotive anonymity. The 2026 model is adopting dramatically bolder styling that ensures you'll never blend into the crowd again. We can see angular bodywork, aggressive lighting signatures, and prominent grille treatments that create unmistakable road presence. LED light bars and illuminated design elements establish a high-tech aesthetic that makes a statement in any parking lot. But this styling transformation is creating a generational divide. Many current owners purchased the Telluride specifically because its understated elegance wouldn't appear dated after several years. Therefore, the bold new direction threatens to alienate conservative buyers who value timeless design. Automotive styling trends change rapidly, and today's cutting-edge appearance could seem embarrassingly outdated within a few model years. However, younger demographics see these changes as long overdue. They want their family SUV to reflect their dynamic lifestyle rather than scream soccer mom to everyone they pass. But a bold exterior design is completely meaningless if you're constantly stopping for gas, which is why Kia's hybrid powertrain decision is creating the biggest philosophical divide of all. Number 3. Hybrid powertrain. Few things are more painful than watching your fuel gauge drop toward empty during a family vacation, knowing that every mile is costing you money you'd rather spend on activities. With gas prices constantly fluctuating and large SUVs naturally thirsty, many families find themselves avoiding longer trips or constantly hunting for cheaper gas stations. That's exactly why Kia is developing hybrid variants that promise significant efficiency improvements while maintaining towing capability. The hybrid system will combine turbocharged gasoline engines with electric motors to deliver improved fuel economy that could transform your relationship with long-distance travel. Battery packs are positioned to minimize cargo space impact while providing meaningful electric-only driving range for short trips. But here's where practical families are expressing serious concerns. Additional electrical systems, battery maintenance requirements, and integration complexity represent potential failure points that traditional powertrains avoid. Cold weather performance, battery longevity, and repair costs become factors that current owners never have to consider. While fuel savings are immediate and measurable, battery replacement expenses could offset efficiency gains after warranty periods expire. Hybrid systems require specialized service knowledge that your trusted independent mechanic may lack, potentially forcing you toward expensive dealer maintenance. But fuel efficiency won't matter if you can't figure out how to operate your SUV's basic functions, which is why the technology overhaul is generating equally fierce opposition. Number 2. Technology. Nothing is more frustrating than fumbling with your SUV's controls while trying to safely navigate traffic, especially when you're running late for your child's school pickup. The 2026 model is introducing digital interfaces that fundamentally change how you interact with your vehicle. The new system features massive touchscreen displays that consolidate multiple functions into digital interfaces that can be customized for each driver's preferences. Advanced driver assistance features will monitor road conditions and provide intervention during emergency situations, giving parents extra peace of mind. Smartphone integration allows remote vehicle control, so you can start the air conditioning from inside the grocery store. But these technological advances are creating significant anxiety among buyers who value mechanical simplicity. Physical buttons and knobs provide tactile feedback that allows operation without taking your eyes off the road. Therefore, touchscreen consolidation could actually compromise driving safety. System complexity increases failure probability while adding expensive repair scenarios that older technology simply avoids. Younger buyers expect seamless digital integration and advanced connectivity features that keep them connected to their digital lives, while older demographics prefer proven interfaces that prioritize reliability over innovation. But all of these premium features, advanced technology, and powertrain improvements mean absolutely nothing if families can't afford them, which is why the pricing controversy overshadows every other concern. Number 1. Pricing. Here's the moment every family dreads during SUV shopping. Finding the perfect vehicle that meets all your needs, then discovering that all the features you actually want push the price beyond what you can comfortably afford. The current Telluride's greatest strength has always been delivering near-luxury features without forcing families to stretch their budget or sacrifice other financial priorities. But every premium upgrade, technology addition, and powertrain enhancement contributes to higher manufacturing costs that manufacturers typically pass directly to consumers. Industry analysts predict base model price increases of $3,000 to $5,000, with fully equipped variants potentially jumping even more dramatically. Middle-class families who plan to upgrade from their current model could find themselves priced out of the vehicle they specifically chose for its value advantage. Monthly payment calculations that once seemed manageable could become financially stressful with significantly higher sticker prices. If the new Telluride costs as much as established luxury brands, buyers will naturally question why they shouldn't purchase BMW, Mercedes, or Lexus alternatives with superior dealer networks and historically stronger resale values. Kia risks losing its core advantage while failing to attract luxury buyers who remain skeptical of non-premium brands regardless of feature content. So there you have it, 6 controversial changes that will either transform the Telluride into the ultimate family SUV or destroy everything that made it special in the first place. The luxurious interior could justify higher prices or price out loyal families. The turbocharging might deliver better performance or sacrifice the smooth reliability you depend on. Bold styling could make you proud to drive it or embarrass you in 5 years when the design looks dated. The hybrid powertrain might save thousands at the pump or create expensive repair nightmares. Advanced technology might simplify your life or frustrate you every time you need to adjust the temperature. And the inevitable price increases will either prove these upgrades are worth the premium or confirm that Kia has abandoned the value-focused families who made the Telluride successful. The 2026 model will either prove that bold evolution can perfect an already great SUV or serve as a warning about the dangers of fixing something that wasn't broken. But the new Telluride isn't the only new SUV that brings changes that are radical enough to cause serious debate. If you think automakers should be reasonable enough to keep the good things intact, just check out our video about the changes on the 2026 Subaru Outback that are dividing fans like never before in its history. The Outback abandoned its wagon shape and brought the most polarizing look you could ever imagine.